Hello, welcome guys. So now let's get into the case study of the project, which is smart waste management. Okay, so the waste management is one of the biggest problem in India. So we wanted to actually do it in a smarter way. Okay, it's a team project what we did with my friends as well. So how do you manage your waste in a smarter way? See, UIUX is also a problem solving approach. Not often your product solves some problem. Let's take an example. This solves a problem of interaction. With the help of this I can navigate. Kinds of solves a problem, right? So UI, like a physical and a digital product design, also solves some of the major problem like this. Systemic problem. See, UI UX is a problem solving tool, guys. With that tool you can really solve any bigger problem, any quantum of problem, if you use it rightly, if you use the methods and tools and techniques rightly to get a proper solution. And the way you implement it, sometimes it could be really blown, it could be really creative, it could be like massive impact it can create. Okay, so smart waste management is one of the biggest problem in our country, and that's what we are going to see now. Okay, so before that I'll take you some statistics. This is like 60 metric tons of waste is generated every year. So huge, right? Total waste collected is only 43. What about the remaining? It's unsegregated. It's either lying around, it's either on the roads, on the streets, or in the dump yards. It's not segregated. And how much of the waste is treated and how much is there in the landfills still? Landfills. So this is the information which we got from the government of India. So as a designer, you need to put every time when you have a statistics, when you have taken some data from some sources, it's good to credit it properly. That's a good design practice. It's general information you can take from this course. If you're not doing it, you have to do it in the back of your document. But without that, please don't do it, guys. Unless you take this data personally with your team, you can't really claim it as if yours. Okay, this slide means this is made by our team and me, so I did it. But this data is taken from a trusted website, so you need to quote that website. Good practice. Okay, so this is the urban waste statistics in India. The numbers are really huge, the problem is really huge. So now let's go into the process to understand its detail. Okay,